You guys want to eat that, right? I want to eat it. Like this, it's making me hungry. Like I need to eat right now. We're gonna take these chicken breasts and we're gonna stuff them with cream cheese and green onion, and they're gonna be fabulous. So let's get to work. First thing we're gonna do is dry these off a little bit. We just want them to be a little more dry. I rinsed them, so we're gonna take that and we're gonna get a knife here, and then we're gonna take off little bits that we don't like, right? We're gonna trim the edges just a little. Take off a little bit of that stuff that we don't want on our chicken, just because it's not the best thing ever. And we want our chicken to be the best thing ever, don't we? Don't we always want our food to be the best thing ever? I do. I mean, I try. I'm not the best cook ever, but I try. So we want all this extra stuff off of here, just so it's not in our food. We don't want to taste this. It's good for other stuff like chicken broth and things like that, but we don't want it in our dinner. So we could take these breasts and really just roll them up and stuff them, put some good old string on here and be done with it, or we could flatten them out a little bit more, cut them in half, and then we can actually get more for our money. You know, they become more like chicken rolls instead of full chicken breasts. But in this, what we're going to do today is we're going to try to slice them across, and then we're going to stuff them and then wrap them. You know what? These breasts are a little thin, so I don't think that we're going to do that. Let's stick with the original plan and pound them out. Let's just do that. We're going to pound them out and call it good. So get back over here, take this trash out, and we're going to just pound these and just get a little bit more out of it. So pounding, tenderizing, you can call it whatever you want, but what we want is we want to flatten these out. We're going to start in the middle and work our way out. Hit it hard enough, but we don't want to damage the meat too bad. Because we still want to be able to have it look like chicken breast. And I'm gonna come over here and do the other big one the same way. Oh, chicken is a crazy meat. You got to be careful with it. It'll make you sick. So you got to cook it all the way. But you also need to make sure it's covered when you hit it. That way it's not splashing all over your kitchen. I think that's good enough. All right, so take that out. We'll always clean this trash up as we go. Get that in a minute. That's nice and beat up and flat, tenderized. All right, so we got one. We got two. And what we're gonna do is go ahead and stuff these, and then what we'll do is roll them this way. And then we'll put some good old butcher string around here and here. And then we'll have a nice stuffed breast. And as this cooks, you'll see that it'll start to set up and hold all the stuffing in. So let's go ahead and make our stuffing. And what we'll do with this one is we'll try to make a little something out of this. But now what we're gonna do is take these chickens, put them over here, take our green onion and cut our green onion real nice. Green onion, green onion, green onion. All right, green onion done, right? That's what we want right there. Now, I did get my chops a little, missed those a little bit. Okay, there we go. All right, so now we're gonna take that. We're gonna take the green onion, put it in this bowl, because we want that in the bowl, all the stuff in the bowl. Right. Now we're going to go ahead and take our nice cream cheese. And we're gonna put that in the bowl. All right, in the bowl. Now we're gonna take that and we're gonna mash it up. It's a little cold, so we need to mash it up good. Use our hands, a lot easier that way. It'll warm as we do it. Sometimes if you leave the cream cheese out, it'll actually warm up and it'll be easier to get through. But in this scenario, we're gonna go ahead and do it by hand. We're gonna take a little bit of this, stick it in here, and we're gonna roll it up. Get some string. Should lay the string down first. Then you roll it up in here. It's hard to tie with these gloves on, but we're gonna do it. And get it tied. And you can take the excess and then you could cut it off. So the excess string, chop it off there. Leave this in here and it will cook up nice, just like this little one. So I'm gonna leave that there. I'm gonna come over here and we should do this first. Then we'll lay down our chicken this way or that way. This way? Okay, that'll work. Good thinking. Glad you guys thought of that. All right. Just gonna go over here and we're gonna lay this in here. Gonna lay this in here like this. All right, then we're gonna roll this up. Oh, look how fat that is. Dang, that just looks awesome. All right, now we're gonna take this, tie this around. Bam. I was gonna tie my shoes right there. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna go ahead and tie it like that. All right, next one. So that's our breast all wrapped up there. Now we have all three ready to go. Now we just need to come with some scissors and cut this off. Duh, use the knife. All right, so here's our 3 chicken breasts ready to cook right there. This is what we have left. We're just gonna throw that out.
Boom, look at the bad boy, yeah. Chicken breast's gonna be good on here. Man, we're gonna let this thing get up to temperature. We're gonna get this stuff on here, and I'm excited already, man. But we're gonna wait and get this stuff on here, and then we'll talk about some other stuff in a minute. But I'll go back inside, man. It's super hot. Look, that house is coming along. If you guys are watching the channel, you see this house. It's just like came out of nowhere. So it's coming along. They're gonna build another one here, everywhere. So crazy. I'm going inside. It's like 1,000 degrees out here, man. I can't do it.
I'm telling you, you gotta have some seasoning. Gotta have some seasoning. If it's not seasoned, just, no, we don't want it. I'm sorry. Look, Tony Satchery, you guys know Satcheries. If you guys know about Satcheries, put it in the comments, right? Put that in the comments if you guys know about Satcheries. All right? That's enough oil. We're gonna do these at about 325, 350, so not gonna get much smoke. A little bit, not a lot of it. But there it is right there, folks. Now we're ready.
Set one in here. And I'm gonna set the other right here. And we're gonna set the other right here. Now we're gonna take our meat probe and put it in the thickest part of the breast. Right here. Ah, there we go. And we're gonna let these cook up. We're gonna do one flip. Uh-oh. Ooh-wee. Jeez. Ooh-wee. Look at that. This little one, we're gonna move over here, give it a cool spot because it's probably a little done by now. Now we're gonna take this meat probe, we're gonna stick it back in here, and we're gonna see if that thing ever gets up to
the good old magic number at 165.
Oh, we over here at 166. I'm a little hot.
Over here playing around, not paying attention to my food. Smoked out. Let's get this off of here. Sheesh. Ooh, look how good that looks. Get that off of here. My goodness. My goodness. Woo. I don't know what to do. All right. Look at that. Man, so good. All right, let's let it cool for a minute. Then we're gonna get into this, man. We're just gonna cut it open and we're gonna see what we got. I mean, I'm really excited about this. Let it cool for a minute, okay? So smoky. Look at that. We got this little mini mic over here. Little mini mic. What do you think about that one? Look at the mini mic. Oh, shit. Look at that. Man, I'm telling you. The mini mic. Look at the big dog. Huh? Look at that. Oh, my goodness. All right, so let's go ahead and get these little strings off of here. Butcher's twine. We don't need those anymore. Come on, man. This one. And that one. Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna pop this little one off without killing my fingers. There. All right. Let's get off that butcher's twine. You see how it stays together, right? See how the breast is together now? It's just gonna stay together like that. It's all molded up. Just like all the rest of the meats when you put butcher twine on them. A lot of people are scared to use butcher twine. They don't think it works, so they think they're gonna burn it. But you're not gonna burn it. Butcher twine's fine. All right, so let's go ahead and take this little one here, our little taste test piece, and we're just gonna run it right here down the middle. And take a look at that, right? A little more there, right? That's a nice little piece of meat. Nice little piece of meat. So, it smells amazing, right? And you see it's got more of that filling here on the outside. But just look at that, man. I mean, this is a little one, right? Get this glove off here. All right. So this is a little one, but it looks great. So we're just gonna go ahead and try this little thing. We're gonna go ahead and just get a bite because we need a bite real bad, right? I don't know if I got stuff on my face, but I should have stuff on my face. This is fantastic. Hands down, great chicken, great stuffing, just the flavor, the smoke, green onion. I mean, there's nothing, man, how can you go wrong with something like that? Man, check it out. Let's get these big ones. Let's get these big ones now. All right, so let's just go ahead and put this away. Let's get into these big ones to see what they do. Just cut right here. Is that cool? Is that cool just to cut right here? I mean, should we cut it now? I mean, I don't know if we should. Like, I'm like trying to figure out if we should actually cut it. This looks so pretty. Woo! All right, look at that. Got a little stuffing coming out the back. Well, look at the front. Look at that. All business, baby. All business in the front. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh my goodness, look at that. So good. All right. Where's my plate? Where'd my plate go? Hey, plate, come over here. There's the plate. I'm gonna go ahead and lay that down right here. Look at that. What you think? This is what we're doing here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Got some little tomatoes on the side. Man, I'm on this like pseudo keto thing. Really, I'm just trying to eat less carbs. So, you know, little tomatoes, but I mean, you guys want to eat that, right? I want to eat it. Like this, it's making me hungry. Like I need to eat right now. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys next time.